7th round. Maybe 9th round in.
Oh! I can't flip my cat! Okay. I'm gonna be FaceTiming Ivy right now. Hello?
Oh my gosh, I thought you were at school and I was like,
No, I ended school, but I had to leave early because we had to get there at 2:30 and then the other people get there like later.
oh my gosh, I just got out of the shower, but let me show
Okay.
you like what I was
Oh shoot, these are all backwards. Hey guys, we're on the way to graduation right now and I can't record in there because I can't bring my phone in there. But right now we're going to the arena and it's currently 2:30 because we're gonna get there at 2:30 because I need to be there early even though graduation starts at 4. I haven't even put my cap on yet, so yeah. 什么意思？你们校长帮你们播吗？
对，
我们没有这个待遇。
或者是定，或者是校长。
对，我们人太多了，我们只能自己来。So scary. We're at kbbq and we have Parker and Kaden cooking, so let's hope that we don't die. What else? No, it's my grad! This is Arlie, this is Parker, and I could have a vlog at graduation. Wait, this is Kaden. This is Sarah and Ivy. Come on, that is the first thing we make. We go in the mosh. I'm trying Korean barbecue and it's pretty good. I do have my chefs. I am not doing anything. I am sitting here. We are not doing anything. But we're sitting pretty. Yeah. I'm having a good time. How about you?
I'm having a good time too.
Question of the day. What is your favorite restaurant to eat at?
I like Italian food.
Oh my gosh, me too!
No way.
I love Italian. Yup. Favorite restaurant to eat at?
Huh?
Favorite restaurant to eat at? Question of the day.
His dad's house.
My house.
Okay, Arlene.
Next, his dad's a really good cook.
Yours too?
Oh, my dad's pretty chill. Yeah, my dad used to work at a restaurant. He used to be a chef.
Yeah, I did used to be a chef.
My favorite restaurant outside. Well, it depends on the day. It depends on what I want. But usually, it's Korean barbecue or it's kava. I love kava.
I love kava.
I only eat poke with him.
I love poke.
Danny. Food.
Favorite restaurant? Oh, I love boba.
You could make one of those.
I said restaurant, she said boba.
Make one of those noodles that are like
What favorite restaurant?
Every time I'm in their story.
tasty pot.
Oh, okay. Hey.
No, you guys have to time it correctly.
What? Look at me like that. I feel like it'd be so fun to mosh with. I am very fun to mosh with, except for the fact that I keep getting trampled every few seconds. I'm like, it's your heart. Yeah, the heels. I don't know how anyone moshes in heels.
Big bag.
Wait, we should cheer. Don't eat. Okay, I have no meat to cheers with. I'm gonna take some of yours. Ready? What the fuck?
Sorry.
The one with the cow.
This is Fanny's 7th round. Maybe 9th round in.
I got the stamina.
Wait,
Do
you're
you?
going to the agriculture?
No, I had a calm 3 rounds.
Yeah, how?
I know you're thinking. That's insane that you're thinking that right now.
There's like other ways
They're both
to
thinking that.
and also like
Oh.
isn't like amazing. Like you can make it.
Oh. Okay.
Wait, when did I protest that?
You're not eating.
Yeah,
This is what a
we
big
were the
bags
one that
only.
started it all. Yeah, so it was crazy.
Big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag. Yeah, my bag is loaded up with snacks and different foods. Squeeze into this tiny.
Wait, I'm ready. Do you want me?
Oh, what? Why are you even doing that to people? That's recorded. You said it's an online, live. It's a pig, boba, unicorn, apple, no pear.
No,
And-
that's a peach, bruh.
That's a peach with like 2 eyes on the top of his head.
You like it? It reminded us of you. But not in like the bad way. No, like, because remember when we asked how to beat our cow? Which one's worse? Cow is worse. Are you crying? I'm not crying. But she looks like she's crying. I'm not crying.
No, your eyes is really exciting.
Hug or something for the vlog. Yay.
Hey vlog, welcome back. Today is beach day with the girly pops, and it's currently, I think it's currently on 1ish, and I need to go walk the dog. I'm not done that yet, but yeah, and I need to like clean my room, do like a few errands before I go. So yeah, let's go. Hey vlog. Is there something? Hey vlog, we're back at Sarah's house.
Turns it on.
But we're at Sarah's house. She's doing her makeup. We're getting ready right now to go to the beach.
Woo! Are you posting this?
What am I
Are
posting?
you posting this?
Maybe.
Hi, Yunnies!
Hey vlog, we're back here. We're in the car right now.
We are in a car right now. That is true. My gosh.
Would you like to say hi?
This is Kaden,
That is kidding.
Fanny, Ivy, Sarah.
Hello, forget her name.
So question of the day, guys. What is your favorite beach? Me personally, my favorite beach is Laguna. 'Cause I went to Laguna when I was like little, so like I practically was raised there, guys. Just kidding. How about you, Ivy? What's your favorite beach? Do you have one?
Too. Like,
Mhm.
I think like Whole Foods, Sprouts is like near there.
Oh yeah, yeah. There's the Savons. Yes.
Yeah, like
Yes. Favorite beach?
has to be Newport. I love it.
Okay. Okay. Favorite beach, girly pop?
I've only.
Are you? It's okay.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like beaches because I was always scared of sharks and sand. I don't like sand.
Oh. Aw.
But it's cool though.
Thank you.
Favorite beach?
I've only been to Long Beach and Huntington. And of the two, I like Huntington more.
Wait, so you put at Laguna?
I think so.
I need to show you around. Yay!
Guys, we're walking towards Boba right now. Yay.
Hi, Yunnies. Hi. The guy who thinks that the guy who made that word or whatever thinks he's the goat, but clearly Fanny's the only goat here. Sorry, not sorry.
Actually, I'm the second goat.
Look at guys.
Okay.
And I'm the third goat. Hi Yunnies, welcome back to my channel. Yay! On today's part of the vlog, we just got Koyo. Fanny, she got, let me guess, milk tea.
I got
White peach.
yeah.
You're not guessing Fanny's outfit, guys. What's your OOTD? Name
These are from
everything.
Brandy. These are from Cooler Bar, and then this is from Lucy in the Sky.
How about you, Ivy?
Hollister, Crocs, and iPhone.
Okay, and then me, I'm Kendra Scott. My cousin works for them. I don't know where this is from. It's from an online website. I'm not gatekeeping, I promise. I just don't know where it's from. Heels are from Target, because Target has really good heels. How do you rate your boba? Wait, Fanny, your camera?
Oh.
How do you rate your boba?
Boba's a little bit hard, but I think I give it a good 7 out of 10. In the car, actually going to the beach now.
I can never hear Fanny talk.
We're in the car, actually going to the beach now.
Your seatbelt on.
Yeah, but you're. Oh.
This shit is so gas, bro. It's taro milk tea with boba from Koyo. Also, that's the name of my spam.
What'd you rate it out of 10?
No,
Fire.
9 out of 10.
Oh, okay. Fire. So we can hang out with Ivy League students.
I said, oh shit.
That's not very Colombian.
I'm screwed. Trading at 66 and... Wait, what am I saying? Oh, yeah. Wait. Wait. Fanny. You need to record this, okay?
Oh,
It's the
yeah.
Cali, like, you know.
Okay, go.
Okay. Good lighting today to Ava. We're at the beach now, if you can't tell. Hi! And they're taking pictures. Yay! Oh, they're the cutest. Wait, say that again.
We got the beach. Hi, yummies. What up? Welcome back to my YouTube. Yeah! We're walking to main beach right now. Girly Pop and Arlene are both behind doing influencer type stuff. We're looking for a place and I know exactly where. So we're gonna lead and then they're gonna follow.
I have a vlog. We finished one round of pictures.
More pictures? Can next? Possibly?
Oh my god. She's
Oh my gosh, the digital camera makes your skin look so good. Can we
Really?
talk about that? Like,
Bro, he just lost something! No!
Because I wanted them to get water. Oh, yeah.
Oh! We got it! We got it! We got it!
I was just trying to clean the whole...
Oh my god.
I don't know, I was like, it's over.
Just go.
Throw it. You got cameras on you.
Why is he?
Oh.
There's a bug. There's a bug. Oh, they're the cutest. Oh. Hey vlog, we're at K's right now. Just ordered.
Hi, yummies.
My mom is telling me to go back at 10.
Bye, Yannis.